Hello everyone, welcome to Mano Curry. My name's Linda. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. It is Boxing Day here and I got some lovely yarny goodies. So we did really well between the two of us. So thank you all for being here today. And today I am going to be announcing the winner of December's giveaway, which is this lovely ice yarn in blue. I know it looks purple, guys, but believe me, it is blue. And as always with my giveaways, I give away some notions as well. So you've got a crochet hook, which is 3.5mm. You've got some tapestry needles. You've got a pen, a unicorn pad, and some stitch markers. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go across to the computer and let's go and pick one lucky winner. Okay guys, so this is the December giveaway and I've copied the URL and I'm going to use YouTube's random org, and let's just get rid of that and put the URL in there. And I do believe it was blue you had to put in, so we'll filter, and the word was blue, B-L-U-E. Do the easy sum. And let's get the comments, guys. Let's see how many people commented. 236. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. So we'll move across to here. Good luck, everybody. Crafty Moose Sarah. Yay, Sarah. Another lovely giveaway, Linda. The yarn is beautiful. I love that shade of blue. Thanks for all the fun and good luck, everyone. So guys, as always, let's go and see that Sarah Moo is a subscriber. So I'm just going to stop you here and we'll check and I'll bring you back when I've checked. There I am, guys. She's definitely subscribed to my channel. So congratulations, Sarah Moo. Woo-hoo! My sweet Sarah Moo has won December's giveaway. So congratulations, Sarah Moo. If you email me at this address, it'll either be here or up here, and I will get your prize sent out to you in the new year. You've got until the 31st of December, and then in the new year you'll get your prize. So thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing to me this year. Let's hope move on to better things in 2023. Thank you all so much. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas, and I know not all of you celebrate Christmas, but I wish you all happy days for the rest of this year. It's not long now until we're into 2023. So take care, everybody. Stay safe. But more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.